We needed a break from Mother Nature.
You know what?
No, we didn't get a break. March has been terrible. We needed a little gift.
She was listening, and she just dumped on New York City and Washington, D.C. and left us alone, Eric.
I like that outlook on the weather. I gotta say, man, so frustrating. This winter has been a challenge, very challenging winter. Hate to have to change a forecast, but tonight it's just not coming together, and that's the case as we take a look at our storm system that's stalled a little bit east of New Jersey, and now it's taking a track that's a little bit flatter. We're talking 20 to 30 miles, a little bit flatter from west to east, instead of taking a path that curves it outside of Nantucket and off to the north and east. And that little difference is leading to a lower forecast when it comes to the snowfall. You can see that spin in the atmosphere right in here, very, very slow to move today, and that will be taking more of an easterly trajectory. We've also had a lot of dry air in place. Dew points are in the 20s. Now, expected that during the day, which is why we called for no snow accumulation until the evening. Didn't think it would hold on this steadily throughout the overnight hours. Here's a look at the radar. You can see those snow bands, over a foot of snow in New Jersey, tremendous amounts, getting close to double digits in downtown New York City and Central Park as well. Long Island just had a report of 5 inches in 1 hour, 9 inches in 2 hours. So huge bands are just off to our south. And what are we getting? Well, a little bit of light snow and rain so far, moving it across the area, trying to push its way northward, but it's still really struggling, and most of this is not reaching the ground. Temperatures are in the 30s, around 40. It's not terribly cold either. That doesn't help our cause, and so overnight, yes, some areas of snowfall do likely fill in, and we'll see some snow, especially in southeastern Massachusetts, but it does not look to be a big situation for us, and some spotty areas of snow tomorrow morning, but I wouldn't expect any major issues on the roads because those temperatures just aren't really all that cold, not below the freezing mark. So it'll be tough to even get to these numbers, I think, across the area. 3 to 6 in southeastern Mass, 1 to 3 toward the mid and outer Cape, 1 to 3 around Boston and the North Shore, and just a coating to maybe an inch north and west. So basically, it's a light to maybe a chance for some moderate snow, and just didn't come together. Some will be frustrated, some probably happy we didn't see the snow. We try to get every one of them right, and sometimes it doesn't all come together for us. Humbling thing, forecasting. Now we take a look at the winds. They'll be gusting 30 to 45 miles per hour overnight out of the northeast. They turn more northwesterly tomorrow, and they start to calm down in the afternoon. So flooding for one tide cycle, minor coastal flooding. Those advisories still out along the coast. There'll be some splashovers, some big wave action, and a chance for some more beach erosion overnight tonight. Here's a look at those high tide times, generally between 3 and 4:30 across the area. And so that's still about the same type of threat as what we were talking about earlier on. So tomorrow morning, still some scattered areas of snow and snow showers to start the day. Temperatures in the 30s, but not expecting a lot of issues on the roads. An isolated rain or snow shower around midday, and then brightening skies, especially as we head toward the afternoon. And that will get our temperatures into the low 40s for most of the area. Still colder than average for this time of the year, but obviously it will take the 40s after a day like today that was very raw outside. Out Friday and Saturday, similar days, partly sunny, chilly, getting into the low 40s again. Sunday, another feed of cold air will be moving down from the north. Now, that high could help us out a little bit. It makes it cold outside, gives us some scattered snow showers, some drizzle on Sunday. But so long as it's strong enough, it should keep the next storm system a little bit offshore. So that will be one to watch from Monday into Tuesday. As for logging some miles on the marathon course, it is crunch time, and the next few days offer some opportunities. Not beautiful outside, but not terrible either. There's the full 7-day, just keeping the chilly theme and watching that nearby one Monday and Tuesday. Maybe we will get lucky again with that one. Liam and Lisa, over to you.
Yeah, 2 lucky goes in a row. I like the idea of that. Eric, thank you very much.